In this video, let's talk about a great opportunity on PayPal stock to play this breakout and to buy in at the bottom for a potential upside gain of 100%. In this video, I'll be talking about PayPal, the chart, the SPY, the overall market, and I'll be comparing it to stocks like Meta and Shopify, other fintech stocks. And when you can grab that bottom, it could be very, very rewarding. For example, Shopify up over 130%, 150% from the level of support. So just a small bounce like that, you can get some massive gainers. Meta platforms also having bottoming it out and now up over 200% from the bottom. So the risk to reward is going to be very nice, and I want to go over that on this chart. Subscribe with notifications on, follow on X, and the weekly newsletter will be dropping on Sunday. We got a lot of great setups, so if you guys have not already, you guys can get email newsletters right into your email, sundaystocktalk.com. Subscribe with notifications on, and let's get started. Now the first thing that I want to take a look at is PayPal and the news for PayPal. So we did get some positive news regarding PayPal. We had positive earnings, and we were overall positive for stock on the yearly annual profit forecast. So we have a positive catalyst, but then we also have Christmas coming up. Now, this is very important. One thing that we have to keep in mind is we got to take a look at the overall market. Before we go over SPY, before we go over PayPal, we got to take a look at the overall market and what the vibe is. What is the market sentiment? How are buyers feeling? So you guys know that we have Christmas coming up. Christmas is huge. Typically, we're bullish on Christmas. The S&P 500 is consolidating, and we are in this downtrend breakout, and we are right above the level of resistance. If we break above on the weekly and the daily time frame, if we close above, we can get that confirmation that we have broken it to the upside. So the main confirmation is right when we break above the resistance for the SPY, and that is when we can get the confirmation of a breakout. So once we get that confirmation, that is going to be huge for PayPal, and that is when we can really see a massive run on the overall market. Now, PayPal is going to be a incredible setup. We got a lot of incredible plays. Okay, we had Roblox, we had Macy's. PayPal is a huge one. We're taking a look at the monthly time frame. Each candle is a month. We peaked at 2021, and we had a massive meltdown, down over 70 or down over 80%, and that is really the perfect time to get in. We want to buy in low. We can take a look at other stocks like Shopify and Meta, which are really in the same field of tech, and we can take a look at Meta, how it really bottomed out, and Shopify, where it had its accumulation phase, and then it had a very nice run up. So we want to buy in the low. Okay, that is the first thing to keep in mind. PayPal is in the low. Now is the time to buy in PayPal. So we're taking a look at the chart. Let's take a look at a bigger picture. We have a falling wedge setup. Look at how we have the support and we have the resistance, and we are consolidating, and we are getting very tight, and we're gonna get a squeeze and a breakout once we close above. So let's take a look at a closer picture on the weekly time frame. We can take a look at the support, we can take a look at the resistance. We want to buy in right now at the low, and our stop loss is going to be the close below $50. $50 is also a very nice mental number. So I'm taking a look at, that's going to be around a 13% stop loss, close below on the weekly time frame. So we are risking 13% to potentially make 100% and 36% at the least. So we're talking about amazing risk to reward. And keep in mind, we're talking about shares. We're not talking about options. So we don't have time decay. We don't have IV. So this to me is a incredible setup. We're playing shares. We have no time decay, and our risk is 13%. And our reward is 100% at the least. And again, this is pretty normal for stocks like these. Meta up over 200% from the bottom. Shopify, they move like this and they play like this. So this is going to be a great play. Let's take a look at the daily confirmation. So on the daily, really same thing. We are breaking out. We found a level of support. We talked about the positive catalyst that we had, which is the positive earnings report. We have multiple gaps to the upside, and just keep in mind of the stop loss. So we're really buying in at the bottom for PayPal. Now, since then SPY also runs up, and if the overall market is green, the better, and we're going to see that confirmation for PayPal and for SPY. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be buying in PayPal shares right at market open, holding in throughout Christmas. I'm very bullish on Christmas. I'll make a whole video on this, on how historically we are extremely bullish on Christmas. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe with notifications on, and see you guys later. Have a great weekend, and see you guys on SundayStockTalk.com. Take care.